Are you looking to create a membership website? Look no further. With WordPress and the DigiMember WordPress membership plugin, you can easily build a fully functional, professional membership site without any coding knowledge. DigiMember is a very functional, easy-to-use membership solution which transforms every WordPress page into a complete member area. Install and activate the plugin, and within minutes you'll have your own membership site, complete with protected content that only your members have access to. Integrate a payment provider and sell your memberships fully automated. DigiMember is an easy-to-install WordPress plugin. The setup takes only a few minutes and is very simple. Create any number of products or membership levels. You choose freely which of your protected content belongs to which product. Free or paid content. You decide whether you want to offer your memberships completely for free or paid. A combination is possible too. Define time intervals at which your member pages are activated for your users, like weekly or monthly. Keep a direct connection to your members and customers. With DigiMember, you can automatically add new members to your email marketing software. Protect your ebooks and other downloadable content with DigiMember. You decide how long and how often your download products are available to a customer. You decide how long your members have access to your products, whether a few days, several weeks, or for unlimited time. DigiMember protects your pages and articles from unauthorized access. Doesn't matter if it is a single page or multiple extensive courses, whether an already existing one or a completely new WordPress page. With DigiMember, you can integrate your already existing and entirely new content within a few easy steps. DigiMember checks incoming payments from the payment provider and automatically blocks access if no payment has been made or a rate has not been paid. Simple and fast integration of payment providers. Fully automated activation of your content after receipt of payment. Your members can take exams created by you. Members who pass the exam will get a personalized certificate. Do you want to present a part of your content and arouse your visitors' curiosity? No problem. With DigiMember, you can share individual sections of your pages and protect the rest at the same time. With DigiMember, you have the possibility of offering single articles or pages for your visitors at a specific price. Numerous payment and email marketing integrations. Premium features you'll love. Don't wait any longer. Start building your dream membership website today with WordPress and the user-friendly WordPress membership plugin. DigiMember. Visit the link in the description box now.